Tasi!
Hello, little learners. Are you ready for a quick and quirky letter? It's the quiet and queenly letter Q. Say it with me. Q, Q, Q. This is uppercase Q. It often goes with its friend U, like in quick and quiet. And this is lowercase q. Q is for quack, a duck waddles and quacks. Queen, weeds with a smile. Question mark, pops up curiously and wiggles. Let's trace the letter Q together. For uppercase Q, make a big circle. Then add a tiny tail. Now for lowercase q, a circle and a stick down with a curly tail.
Q is for queen with a crown so bright. Quacking ducks bring fun, delight. Questions help us learn each day. Q is special in every way. Wait!
Quick thinking, friends! You did a great job with the letter Q. Wave goodbye to the queen, the question mark, and the quacking duck. See you next time for the next letter adventure.